Either a chair or a wall to put your feet on. And what we're going to work is that area right where the butt and the hamstring come together. It's a really hard to reach area. I don't want to hear any squeaking and squalling when we get in there because this is what we need to do to lift and separate that little area. So you're going to lie back like this. Good. Make sure that your legs are at a 90-degree angle. And pull your tummy in and just squeeze your butt and release it. As you go up, you either press your feet into the wall or you dig your heels into the chair. Let's go. You squeeze and release. Squeeze and release. Good. I want you to come all the way down to the floor. Pull the tummy in when you come up and breathe out. That's it. Good. Pull that belly button to your spine, squeeze, and release. So you also want to feel your lower back lengthening, up and down. Abs tight. Beautiful. Now you're going to hold it up for 2 beats. 1, 2, and down. 1, 2, and down. We're starting to train the muscle right here. It's grip, grip, release. Good. Grip, grip, release. Up, up, release. There we go. Up, up. Press your heels into the chair or your feet into the wall. Up, up, release. 2 more. Up, up, release. It's a very small movement, but guess what? It works. Up, up, release. 2 more. And down. You're going to take one leg up, point the toe, flex the foot. Lift up and down. Up and down. Squeeze the booty. Up and down. Beautiful. Up and down. Good. So when you go up, pull the tummy in and breathe out. Squeeze the glute. Drop it down. That's it. Up and down. Up and down. Now try not to move this leg yet. Let's just go up and we're going to go a little faster. Up, down, up, down. That's it. Push it. Good. So you might have these little sensors in your brain that are going, stop! Okay? Just ignore those sensors and keep going. Go. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. That's it. Up. Up. Grip that booty. Squeeze it. Lift. Now we're going to add the kick. Kick and down. Kick and down. Good. So when you do that kick, you should feel the hamstring tight even more. Pull the tummy in and learn to love it. This is the area we want to work, so support it. Squeeze it. That's it. Grip. Good. Grip it. So that leg comes forward and your butt squeezes up. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2. Now hold it forward. Grab it with your hands and just squeeze that leg. The leg is on the bench. Keep pushing up. Good. So now you say, I want to work that little area right here. All right, here's where you prove it that you mean it. Up, 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 up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now take this leg straight up, drop the butt. Good, adjust yourself if you need to. Lift up, hold it. Now bounce it, go, up. Push it up, push it up. That's it, just keep pushing the booty up. Yes, it's gonna burn. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Lift it up, squeeze it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay up. And down. Awesome job. Stretch it out. Good. Feel that hamstring stretch. Good. Flex and point. Great job. Now we're going to do the other leg. But first we're going to rebalance our body. So move up if you need to. Good. So you have a 90-degree angle with those legs. And squeeze up and down. Bring both hips up evenly. Pull the tummy in. Squeeze, release. That's it. Squeeze, release. Good. So hold, release. Hold, release. That's it. Focus on pulling that tummy in. Beautiful. Up. Up. Now hold it up. Hold it up. Lift this other leg up. Point the toe. And up and down. So the extended leg doesn't move. It's straight up. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Up. Straight up. Go. Push it. Push it. That's it. Squeeze it. Tummy tight. Dig the heel into the chair or push the foot into the wall. Up and down. Little faster. Let's go. Up, down, up, down. That's it. Press it straight up. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Now kick. Kick. Bring it back. Kick. Good. Squeeze the booty. Up. Up. Grip. Grip. Squeeze the butt. Tummy tight. Kick it forward. Good. Kick it a little bit more. Work the butt a little tighter. Squeeze those hamstrings. Back of the thighs. 8, 7. Abs come in tightly. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it forward. Grab that leg. Let's go. And up. 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 Good. It's just a little movement, but push it up and squeeze it. Grip the back of the thighs. Squeeze. 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 Yeah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now straighten that leg out. Good. Lift it up and just bounce it. Up, 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 up. Push it. Push it. Lift, 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 lift. Tummy tight. That's it. Up. Lift, lift, lift. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bravo. Stretch it out. Good. Other leg. Bring it in. Roll over to the side. Woo! We did it. Give yourself a big hand. And you can repeat that one twice. And you can combine it with any of the other booty exercises. And you will have some fierce legs this summer. So let's...